This year, the annual meeting of the American Society for Apheresis was held in Atlanta, Georgia. The highlight of the meeting was a full-day consensus conference on TTP, thrombotic thrombocytopenic purpura. The results will be published in the Journal of Clinical Apheresis. Although it is difficult to reach a consensus on this complex subject, there are a couple of important points that were agreed upon by most participants. Number one, a significant progress in understanding the pathophysiology of thrombotic microangiopathies allows for the recognition of several entities: TTP, classical HUS, and atypical HUS. And number two, despite these significant advances in the development of new tests, the initial diagnosis and treatment remain a clinical decision. Patients who present with microangiopathic hemolytic anemia and thrombocytopenia should be started on plasma exchange with FFP as soon as possible. Much more on TTP and other microangiopathies coming soon to this site. There were many interesting abstracts presented at this meeting. Two of them explored the role of plasmapheresis in the treatment of neuromyelitis optica, NMO. The presented data, including before and after treatment videos, suggests that plasmapheresis is helpful and in some cases may be life-saving. There was also a presentation on the collection of very small embryonic-like stem cells, VSCLs, from peripheral blood taken from mobilized healthy donors by apheresis. VSCLs are considered important because, like embryonic stem cells, they are pluripotent. And here's an abstract that may raise some eyebrows. It is entitled "Smoking as a Donor Factor Impacting Hematopoietic Progenitor Cell Mobilization." I'll read you only the conclusion. Preliminary studies suggest that male smokers have enhanced CD34 mobilization. The etiology is unclear. For these and other abstracts, join Asfa, and you can read them on their website or in the Journal of Clinical Apheresis. And in case you were not able to make it to Atlanta this year, you missed the biggest aquarium in this country with its incredible whale sharks and the Olympic rings fountains and the happiest kids in Georgia.